From Forgetfulness to Attain Arahant, the inspiring journey of Chullapanthaka Thero. In the time of the Supreme Buddha, amidst the whispers of leaves and the rustling of the forest, a story of transformation unfolded. The journey of Chullapanthaka Thero, from forgetfulness to attain Arahant, stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration. Chullapanthaka Thero, a dedicated monk, faced an extraordinary challenge. For months, he struggled to remember a single verse from the Pali scriptures, causing distress and self-doubt to cloud his mind. So, Chullapanthaka Thero sought guidance from his fellow monk, who was his elder brother, Mahapanthaka. Mahapanthaka was able to become an Arahant already after his great dedication. Brother, the path to wisdom is filled with challenges. Patience and persistence will light the way. So I see you wouldn't be a skillful monk already, so you may leave us and go home, said his brother monk. Then he got huge sorrow about himself and depressed, but the young monk approached the Supreme Buddha, seeking solace and a path forward. The Buddha's compassion radiated, offering both understanding and a solution. Chullapanthaka, the key to overcoming your struggles lies in mindfulness and concentration. Train your mind to focus, and the verses will come to you. Our sacred Lord Buddha kindly advised and guided Chullapanthaka Thero. Chullapanthaka Thero heeded the Buddha's advice. He immersed himself in meditation, cultivating mindfulness and unwavering focus. With each breath, he chiseled away the barriers that held his memory captive. Seconds turned into minutes, and minutes into hours. Chullapanthaka Thero's dedication and perseverance bore fruit as he gradually began to recall the elusive verse he once struggled to remember. The forest reverberated with the echo of a triumphant heart. Chullapanthaka Thero recited the verse, his voice strong and unwavering. His journey from forgetfulness to enlightenment was a testament to the potential within all of us to overcome challenges. Through the guidance of the Buddha and his unwavering determination, Chullapanthaka Thero blossomed into an Arahant monk, a beacon of wisdom and compassion. As the story of Chullapanthaka Thero teaches us, challenges are the stepping stones of the journey to the wisdom of the way. With patience, mindfulness, and the guidance of wise teachings, we can transcend our limitations and discover the boundless potential within. May the story of Chullapanthaka Thero inspire us all to persevere